Hello everybody, I just thought I'd show everyone a equipment box, camera box, or whatever you want to put in it box, purchased off Temu, an hard case with foam insert inside, which you can cut out to whatever shape you want. And it's pre-slotted. I'll show you what I mean anyway. But that's the case. And there's another case.
Nutcase.
Yeah. Right. As you can see, I've already got lots of stuff in it. I just put them in. But at the moment, if you have a look, well, you can see there's slots, and all you have to do is stick your finger down and maybe a little bit of a knife or scissors and cut out the shape that you want. Got my DJI Mic 3s there, I'm using one at the moment, so there's a slot there empty. Charging plug. I've left this bit here because that's going to be my extra battery pack for the Pocket 4. There's the Pocket 4 extender with tripod clamp on it. I'm using the tripod at the moment. That there is for my selfie stick, which I'm using at the moment. That there is for my Action 5, which I'm using at the moment. And that there is for the tripod stand for all of them, which I'm using at the moment. That's my Pocket 4 wide angle filter, Pocket 4 lamp, extra filters for the Action 5, all the magnetic mic clips, the protective case for the Action 5, spare wind muffs, the DJI mic minis, a pair of them there with the adapter, which I've realised can go into the Action 5 and have two mics coupled at once. I didn't realise that, but I thought it was just for a phone, but no, you can plug it into Action 5 and it gives you two microphones instead of just the one direct connection. My Action 5 spare batteries and battery pack charger and connectivity cables. I've also just rested this in top. See if I'm take laptop with me and I want to couple multiple devices up to my laptop. I've got that little USB hub. And also at the other side there, just bits of instructions. But essentially, easy to cut out to whatever shape you want. And it really does do the job. Works well. As you can see, the Pocket 4, I've cut it out, perfect shape, fits nicely, nice and sturdy, nice and firm, well protected, and took the cable into there out of way, and then our new sticker. And Julie's made them with a crit cut, my amateur radio call sign. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So there you go. From Temu, hard case. And it was £10. And I ordered it with a few other bits and bobs, so I got free delivery. Free delivery. Free delivery. But yeah, £10 that cost, and I think to protect all your gear while you're travelling about, absolutely perfect. So yeah, my camera's, oh, it's there. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's still on. So there you go. Just a quick one. Just something else that's worth purchasing to protect your camera gear. Bye for now.
Bye.